Hello everyone, welcome to our session 12.3. Today we will talk about rate. The rate actually means the quotient of two quantities with different units. For example, Tom walks 8 kilometers in 2 hours and Sam walked 15 kilometers in 3 hours. Who walked faster? In this case, we can use the speed to help us, and the speed in this case is called rate. But let's see. But the speed of Tom should be 4 km per hour. And how about Sam? The speed of Sam should be 5 km per hour. So who walk faster? It's simple. Should be Sam. How about the next one? In this case, there are two stores. Store A, $12 5 apples, and store B, $10 for 4 apples. But which one is cheaper? In this case, we can use the rate to help also. The rate here should be the selling price for each apple. For store A, $2.4 each. For store B, $2.5 each. So which one is cheaper? So simple, right? Well, maybe we use classwork 12.16 up to 12.18 to solve those problems about rate. Well, let's see. We use $14 to buy 28 eggs. We need to find the price of each egg. Actually, we should use $14 divided into 28 parts equally, so what we get is $2.5 each. How about part B? If this time I would like to find out the cost for a dozen of eggs. Since part A will find the price for each egg, and a dozen means 12 eggs, so we can use this formula to help us to find out it should be $6 per dozen. Well, classwork 12.17. In this part, we have to find out the cost of petrol for the lorry in dollar per km. In this case, we can use the unit to help us to find out which two quantities we should use. Since it should be $sign over km as unit, so we use the price over the distance in order to get the cost, which should be $2.2 per km. How about part B? This time, we would like to find out the cost for traveling 28 kilometers. For part A, I've already found out the cost for 1 km. So for 28 km, we can just times 28 in order to find out the cost should be $61.6. Well, the last classwork for today. Given the information, I would like to find out the fee rate. In this case, we can use the units again. This time, $sign over minute. That means we need to find out the rate by the cost over the time. So it should be $1.2 per minute. Well, how about the time duration for one talk with the SIM card? And I know that from part A, we have the rate already. So what we get is $40.8 over the rate. In order to find out the time, should be 34 minutes. Okay, after this video, I hope all of you can do your skills of Green Corner and also the homework for today. And that's all for today. Okay, thanks for watching.